아니?
Lou, no! Oh my God, get down from there. You crazy.
When cat's interviewed about what it likes, Bro considers it a chain of pain.
Oh, he's coming. He's heavy. Oh my God! I wasn't ready.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?
How dare you leave me behind, human? Take me along now. Maybe there should be another user manual written for cats. Cartoon did prove it's possible, but sir, you're breathing real air.
Zoe.
When you finally find the one eating up all your stashed snacks,
Alex needs to swipe left and keep moving. He doesn't have time today. Well, maybe we do want to use that. Yeah, that's probably
Huh?
That's evil! Beautiful cat. I'm scared. I'm scared.
first time ever, a banana beats a cat.
Can we just take a minute to look at all these cats? This is real.
No. No. You can't eat the broom. You can't eat the broom.
Dude just flopped his whole body like he's not getting paid enough for this.
Are you in the sun? Oh, you're so pretty, Bacon. Are you chirping at me? Are you chirping? You're chirping. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, no. Oh, no.
Cats can always complicate things. That's just their way of life. Gotta keep fit, 'cause you'll never know if you meet a beautiful puppy. Today, Little Cat meets his new roommate. And what an interesting reaction we have here.
You're so rude.
rude. I don't want to pet you. I pet you for hours already. Hours. Can't do it anymore, buddy.
Learning Hansel and Gretel is good, but it depends on the situation, buddy.
He's like, oh!
It's a full-time job, and it's extremely time-consuming, and it's not as easy as it may appear to some people.
Cats' timing is the best. They can make every situation become funny. Don't sleep too well? You might not know what your cat is plotting. One of very rare signs that your cat doesn't love Christmas so much. I genuinely think there should be a prison for cats using catnip.
You need to calm down.
Hey, Sasha, what you doing? Yeah. Hello. Where's your little things? Hello.
And mission failed before it even launched. Even Hollywood could only reach this peak.
Oh my god.
Chance Kitten's share, you isn't 0, it's 1%.
Mr. Jones, what are you doing in there? Why are you under the carpet? No! Okay, sorry, go on, go back. Okay.
Based on that Usain Bolt pose, that toy must have freaked him out.
¿Qué fue el mal que yo dije? ¿Qué fue el mal? ¿Qué fue? Yo no dije nada malo.
For some reasons, this scene looks so much like the original, frame by frame.
Zoe.
Don't mind it. Cats love explore new things, especially weird ones.
I'm coming. I'm coming. I know what you want.
Cats may not be the fastest, but their reflexes are absolutely top tier.
Don't hit me.
God made a mistake giving me a cute little mischievous face. Look at me. I get away with everything.
Agree that cats have liquid form, except for the head.
But are you petting him? Are you petting him? What?
Looks like the diet isn't really working out for this furry guy. The butterfly effect usually takes time to cause chaos, unless it's cats.
So, I think Valentina's learned how to play tug of war. That's a big fish.
Once they catch it, letting go is almost impossible. A normal day with two cats, silence simply does not exist.
What would that feel good? Can't scratch. Yeah.
We get it, kitty. Bed's the best.
What are you doing? I caught you.
The boys and their classic bonding time can't be less clueless.
How many of you got stuck on you? One. Oh, you are silly. Come here. Oh.
Suddenly, dude's in the mood for showy moves. You've watched too much films, kitty.
No, it's art. You can't just... Dude, no, stop. Stop trying to just grab as much as you can.
Yes, your actions are weird, honey. Are you okay?
Even when bro tries to be serious, the reason is so funny.
Ariana, what are you doing here?
So, this is the reason why the neighbor's dog hide all day.
The trick is to not let people know how weird you are until it's too late for them to back out.
If there is a restaurant for cat, paper will definitely be the appetizer.
Ina.
Looks like in the end, you're not its life's light.
Ina, no. Ina.
Cat finds fun in little things. For example, licking toe.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Bro says no to break the yoga streak.
Arschloch.
Yes.
Dog has witnessed everything, and I'm sure he's made his judgment. Okay, but this is the least strange thing I've watched a cat doing. Gotta say, this thief acts a bit too slowly. You turned on his joking around mode right when you opened the camera.
Kitty, that's not how this works.
You're gonna make me have to pay for this textbook.
This is the consequence of staying home more than 8 hours per day. With kittens, this whole world is their enemy, and they fear no one. To be honest, I think he just wants to be a good boy helping parents with chores.
No, man, don't do that. What is you doing? Don't do that.
Sometimes, it's just so impressive to witness Cat's fashion thinking. When Cat stops being a cat, chaos comes along, as a matter of course. When you want to have fun but too lazy to do it yourself. Problem doesn't find a cat, cat comes to them. Almost no boy can resist the power of games.
Give us a show, Frank. Give us a show. Oh, yeah, show off them beans. Wiping the window?
Until now, Cat has officially had the weirdest ways to drink water, in my opinion.
This new litter box a flop.
When the main character of Prison Break is just a normal guy.
What are you doing? Oh my God.
Just pretend you didn't see anything, human. Regret is what remains inside his mind after that action.
Incredibly intelligent.
Right.
People, it would scare them if they knew how smart she is.
Reason why dogs can't be as cold as cats. Their tails tell everything.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Oops. Sorry, ma'am. He's so fast. With this mess, I think you guys should learn hiding skills from cats. Well, I agree that it's high in vitamins and proteins, but hey, don't.
Todos están contra ti, Val. Debes matarlos a todos. Todos deben morir.
An orange cat being this easygoing? Wow, that's rare.
Yes.
Act like a boss, though not being one can just be cat. Sometimes I just wonder what is happening inside these guys' head.
Are you guys taking a nap together? Are you taking a nap? You okay, Rosie? Your sister's pushing you a little bit.
And now, let me introduce our brand new hero of the house, Batcat.
So I'm going to let all of these roast for an hour. I'm going to toss them about halfway through.
Sissy.
While those are roasting, I'm going to finish up this tomato.
Seems that introvert and party shouldn't go along at all costs.
Get her, Luke. Oh, Lucas, you got denied. Oh, he's going for round 2. Get her, Lucas. Come on. You got to get on top, Lucas.
Show me your bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie. Show me that bad dog.
When you desperately try to show off, but no one cares. For the first time in life, she knows the feeling of betrayal. Oh, those sorrow eyes. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
Seems like the kid has drinking buddies who aren't very close. And the attack was effortlessly deflected. Kitten still lacks lots of experience to take on our champion.
Dapat kawan baru na. Woi, lagi santai kawan. Pakai. Ela-ela dunia kawan.
To you and all the lowly cats out there, I feel you guys.
Wide stance, my guy. Super solid. No one's gonna tip you over.